This tutorial will show you the steps to add a minimalist email signature in ConvertKit to an email template and snippet. In ByBrand's signature editor, we already have the minimalist signature created, so I will click on Save Changes and the Paste in Email button. Now, in the ConvertKit panel, I will create a new email template and insert the HTML block with the email signature in the footer. This template looks good. In the second part, I will do the same step of pasting the HTML signature code, but now for a snippet. Finally, I will create a new sequence to preview the email